What's up guys, it's Elle and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little easy tutorial on how to get beach waves. So yeah, if you want to know an easy way to get your hair all beachy even though it's winter, just keep watching. Okay, just to jump right in, I'm going to start and take this little hair clippy and I'm just going to section off the top half of my hair. I don't brush my hair. You can tell. I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay, so now that that is done, I'm going to take the bottom half of my hair. I should have brushed this, but I didn't because I'm ratchet. And I'm going to take this wand. I have no idea what this is. I think it's a 2-inch barrel. I'm not entirely positive. I bought it off Amazon, so I don't know. It's HSI Professional. I don't know. It was on Amazon. It works really well though. And I'm just going to take about a 1-inch strip of hair. And since this is a bottom layer, I'm going to curl it towards my face. So that way when we do the top layer away from my face, it won't, oh, look at all that hair getting stuck in there. They won't like mix together. And I'm not gonna hold this very long since it's super hot. It's at, I think 450 degrees, yeah. So just real quick, once through, especially with the thinner pieces. And just boom. Mainly flat wrapping it, so attempting not to let the edges curl in too much. I find that this helps it, the curls stick away from each other better. So that way you have more waves and not so much lumps, which is what happens to me when I curl my hair sometimes. And what I mean by flat wrapping as opposed to combination wrap or a twisted wrap, so this is flat, so the hair stays flat the entire way around the barrel, and it's, you can see nothing is twisted, it's just flat like that. I'll show you a combination one on the next one. So it gives you more of like a tube curl, which pieces into waves better. And then as opposed to a combination wrap, which would be like this, where the hair slowly twists into like a ball. It starts out flat and then turns into a twist. You don't want that. You want flat, like this, all the way around. Since my curler's super hot, this really doesn't take that long, like 5 seconds on each piece at most. And you really don't need it to like be super curly because it's just going to turn into waves later. So yeah, it's all curled in towards my face, and it's sort of just like doing something right now. It kind of looks weird because, you know, it's not done. That's okay. So now we're going to take down the top half, and I like to just clip away the bottom half while I do this so it doesn't get mixed up. I don't know why that was so difficult for me just now. You just sort of part your hair where it belongs. Okay, so now for this top layer, we're going to take same 1-inch pieces and curl them away from the face. You want to kind of leave like a little bit of a tail at the end so it's not quite so much of a curl when you go to brush through it. Since my part is so far over on this side, this chunk of my head is obviously going to be a lot bigger than this side. So I might have to work in sections again. And if I do that, some of them will probably go towards my face. I won't keep all of them going away, but we will see. And I don't really count. I typically just will wrap it around and touch my hair. Being careful not to touch the actual iron, which, you know, I don't really recommend this, it's kind of sketchy, but I'll just touch my hair, and then whenever my hair is hot, I just let it go. Okay, so this piece is kind of more under, so it's gonna go towards my face. So now that everything looks like a poodle, blessed, you're gonna go ahead and let it cool for about, 5 minutes before you really try to touch it. Otherwise everything will just be a mess. So I'll be back in 5 minutes. Okay, so now that the hair has cooled down a little bit and it's more set in place of the curls, and when we brush through it, it's not going to lose its shape so much. We're going to take this trusty dusty best thing that ever happened to Beach Waves. It's the Sea Spray Hair Mist by Lush Cosmetics, and this bottle is so old that I had to put some water in it, so it might not work as well, but it's super sticky and it's just like a sea salt texture spray. And will help keep your curls separate when we're trying to make them into waves. I just kind of like spray it, and then if you grab it and let it kind of fall open while you're spraying, that's good too. Now that you're like a poodle, you're gonna want to go like this and shake everything out. Really kind of run your fingers through everything. It's okay if it gets really big, we're gonna go back through and work it out. Just want to break everything up, and then we'll put back together what we need to. So yeah, you pretty much just mess with it until you get the desired texture that you want, and as the curls fall throughout the day, it'll become much more wavy. Yeah, this spray is good. You can also make your own sea salt spray and just put it in a spray bottle with just like sea salt. This one has grapefruit in it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Super easy, does not take that long. Just mainly a lot of messing with it, and whatever, you end up with this cute little beachy wave thing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So make sure to comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. See you on the next one. Bye.